Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use music from YouTube audio library in your videos. And to do that, just open a browser and type youtube.com and sign in. Now you have to open YouTube Studio, so click on it and then scroll down a bit over here on the left corner. Then you will see the audio library here, so click on it and then you will see this. So there are few categories here: track title, genre, mood, then artist, and then duration. So if you want to search something over here, then you just need to click, and then if you want to search according to the title track, you can do that. Whatever the the information that you want. So if I want to talk about the duration, then it has two options here. So it's longer than or the shorter than. So let's say I want to search a song, a music which is less than 10 seconds, then I will see all these songs. So these are the music which are shorter than 10 seconds. Now, in case if your video is more than, let's say, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then instead of checking one by one over here according to the duration, then you can just click over here again and then select the duration, and this time check the select longer than, and you can enter the time, the duration of that of that video, and then you can click on apply, and then it will show all these songs which are more than 10 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever the duration of your video. Then you can choose that accordingly. Now let's click again, and then let's choose with the according to the mood. Then let's say we have they have so many options here: the angry one, the bright one, the dark or happy one. So you can just click on apply, and then it will show here all the songs related to these moods. Now so you can search other way as well according to your choice. And one more thing, all these songs, all the music in this audio library are attribution not required, which means you don't need to put the details of that musician or anything related to that music when you use this in your video. Now, as you can see, the audio library classic as well. So this is the studio audio library, and this one is you can say the old one. When you click on it, the new page will open. It has free music over here, and it has sound effects as well. When you click on it, then you see the category over here. You can choose according to your choice: the alarm, the animals, or the human voices, anything, whatever you want according to your video. And now about the free music, though you can use it, but the most important part is it says attribution, and it has attribution required or attribution not required. So if I choose the attribution required song, which means when I click on it, you have to enter all these information in the video description whenever you use any kind of songs which are attribution required. So let me show you one more song here. So it also says, so you have to enter all this information in the description. So you're free to use this song in any of your videos, but you must include the following in your video description. So this is the classic library, and this one is the YouTube studio library. So just to remember, make you remember clearly, let me just show you quickly here terms and conditions. Then you click on learn more. Then you will scroll down a bit, and then you see here the note: tracks available in the YouTube Studio library do not require attribution. To see tracks that require attribution, click Audio Library Classic, which means this one. So make sure whenever you use any songs which says attribution required, do not forget to enter all this information in the description, so that you do not get the copyright strike in future. So it is very easy to use the music from this YouTube Studio library as a background music on your video. You just need to, again, I'll show you here, you just need to click on download here, and then once you click on it, then you can save the song, and then you can put that in the video. That's how you can use audio library. But before I finish this recording, I just want to show you another way of adding music to your YouTube video. So just click on videos over here, and let's say you forgot to put music on a particular video but you have already uploaded, and how to add music later. So for that, just click over here on details and then click on editor over here, and then scroll down a bit. Then you will see the audio sign, and then you click on plus sign which says add a track. You click on it, and then you will see the songs here. You can search the song as well. Now let's say I add this song, then you can adjust the music level. So you do that like that. Okay, then once you do that, then you can click on save, then it will be done. So that's all for today in this video, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.